Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by updating Messenger and freeing space because outdated app files or low storage often block media. Once updated, clear a quick cache later, but first test connectivity. Switch Wi-Fi off and on, then confirm a web page loads. Make sure background data is allowed for Messenger in settings. Without that, uploads and downloads stall. You're doing this to eliminate the most common causes quickly, so you can move on to targeted fixes without repeating basic steps. Now go into app permissions and enable storage, camera, and microphone if missing. Media won't load without storage access. Once permissions are correct, reset network settings or toggle airplane mode to refresh IP and DNS. This clears obscure routing problems. If media still fails, switch to a different network or your phone hotspot to see if the router or ISP is blocking content. These steps target why packets might be dropped or blocked and help you determine where to focus next. For a final pass, clear the Messenger cache, and if problems persist, clear app data or reinstall to remove corrupted files. Once done, sign out then sign back in to refresh your account tokens. That often fixes download authorization errors. If you need a quick workaround, open Messenger Web or the desktop app to retrieve media while you troubleshoot. If nothing works, capture exact timestamps and reproduce steps. Then report a bug, so engineers can inspect logs and resolve server or device-specific issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.